Thank you for taking the time to watch the following video about the best products of this year. With so many products available, which one is the right model for you? The purpose of this video is to provide you the best choices available today. We have conducted many hours of research and comparisons along with in-depth reviews from homeowners just like you that have purchased these products in the past. We feel that the following video will help you make a more decisive decision. Make sure to check the products links below in the description. Let's get started.
This is Lawn Boy's self-propelled walk-behind mower. It's an affordable, reliable mower with some nice features that make mowing easy and leave your lawn looking great. For starters, the rear-wheel drive self-propelled system takes a lot of the work out of mowing by providing plenty of traction for going up slopes or hills. And the 2-point height of cut system adjusts 2 wheels at the same time. That makes setting your cutting height fast and easy. The durable 21-inch steel deck and Lawn Boy's exclusive tri-cut cutting system make this a great mower for mulching. When you want to bag your clippings, Lawn Boy's larger bag fills easily, holds more, and lets you empty the clippings faster and less often. And Lawn Boy backs this mower with a full 2-year warranty and the 3-year True Start guarantee. Your mower will start on the first or second pull every time, or Lawn Boy will fix it for free. So, for a dependable self-propelled mower that's easy to handle and hard to beat, this Lawn Boy is the right choice for you.